Woolwich Racing uses an online ticket system for sales inquiries and product support. We also have a support centre where you can find answers for common questions about our products. You can access the support centre in the Woolwich Racing Tuned software by going to Help, Support Centre, or by going to woolwichracing.com and clicking Support. When you click on a category, you will see a list of common questions that fall under that category. Simply click on the question to see the answer. If you cannot find the answer to your question within the support centre, the next step is to open a support ticket. Woolwich Racing support runs 24 hours a day from Monday to Friday. To access the system, go to woolwichracing.com/support, or from the Woolwich Racing Tuned software, go to Help, Open Support Ticket. Here you can sign in, create a new account, or create a new ticket as a guest. Once you are signed in, click Tickets on the menu bar. To view tickets that have been replied to, click Closed on the right-hand side. Tickets marked Closed or Resolved have been completed. Tickets marked Answered have been answered by us and are waiting for your reply. Click on the ticket to view the ticket and add a reply. This will automatically reopen the ticket and notify Woolwich that it is waiting in the queue to be answered. When we reply, you will also receive an email notification. You can also reply to the ticket by replying to the email notification, which will automatically also appear in the ticket system. Do not create a new email to reply to an existing ticket, as this will open up a brand new ticket. Doing so will make it harder for us to respond to your ticket. Please provide as much information as you can, including ECU part number, screenshots of any errors you receive, and pictures which you can attach to your tickets. This will help solve your problem as quickly as possible, and our technicians will strive to provide you with quality support. Please remember to keep things respectful, and we will respond to your ticket as soon as we can.